What's up, you guys? I wanted to start this by saying I know that I slacked when it came to Vlogmas videos, or I was trying to do Vlogmas, but then it just didn't work out the way that I planned or anticipated. It's okay, I'll try again next year, but I wanted to film a full face foundation, concealer, or how I do my foundation, my concealer, and my contour. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss an upload. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. If you see the lighting change a bit, please don't mind it. I haven't really figured out like my lighting setup. I wanted to film a full face, not really eyes or anything like that. I just wanted to focus solely on my face routine. So yeah, and I'm kind of running behind, so a few of these parts I'm gonna skip through. Okay, anyway, let's get started. So first what I want to do is prime. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. primer. It's the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. And I like to focus this around my nose in the crevices because my nose tends to get the oiliest and my pores are the biggest around like my nose and my cheeks. I'm gonna use the Trick from my good sis Jackie Aina to set the primer. I have oily skin, so if you have oily skin, set your primer. If you have dry skin, then you can skip this step. I'm just using the Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep, and I'm taking a damp beauty blender and just setting it. Now that that's set, I'm going to move on to foundation. The foundation that I'm going to use today is the Can't Stop, Won't Stop by NYX. I am in this shade Cappuccino. This might be a little bit dark on me because this was my summer foundation, but it's fine. Now for concealer, I'm going to use 3 different concealers. I like to use the Maybelline, are these the FitMe? Yes, the Maybelline FitMe concealers. I know this foundation is picking up red on camera, but don't worry, we will fix that. So I'm going to start with Cafe, and I'm gonna take that under my eye. So because this foundation is pulling red on my skin, I'm going to fix that with my concealers. This concealer has more of like a yellow olive undertone, which is more closer to my skin complexion. Then I'm using Caramel to highlight a little bit more, and this one is more yellow. Then I'm gonna take Honey, go like directly on the bridge of my nose, and then a little bit more in the corner to really add that highlighted shade. These concealers are my everyday favorite concealers. I use these most of the time when I do my makeup. I'm gonna take Cafe and go under my cheekbones. Now I'm going to take my contour shade. I like to bring that up into the head of my brow and bring it down and like pinch the tip of my nose, or have it pinch the tip of my nose. Then I'm just going to contour around my hairline. I'm gonna go over that mark that I made. Then we're gonna do the jawline. To contour, I'm using Mahogany by Sephora. This is a foundation stick. We're gonna blend that up. You're blending that up, and with that I'm also using the lighter shade. And we're just gonna blend that up together. I'm going to go in with my foundation brush and just blend everything together. Now I want to highlight just a little bit more under my eyes. I kind of want that bright highlighted look. So I'm going to take an extra bright highlight color, and this is the shade Light. I'm going to blend out the nose contour. Now I'm going to blend that highlight under my eye. You're going to blend that up against the nose contour and under the eye. Now to set, I'm going to use my Morphe powder in the shade Banana Rich. You're just going to go back under the eye, make sure that everything is blended out. And I like to do one eye at a time. So I'm going to take a damp Beauty Blender sponge, and I'll bring that up to the nose contour. Do the same thing on the other side. I like to kind of like go over it, pressing it into the skin. And as you can see, my nose looks pinched. So I'm gonna take a little bit and go on my nose, my chin, sides of my mouth, and then we're gonna carve out those cheekbones. Now that we look like a ghost, I'm gonna use Fenty bronzer in the shade Coco Naughty to set my contour. Looking real drag ready. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my brows and everything off camera, and then I will be back to finish off the rest of my face. So, be right back. Now that I've applied my eyebrows, eyeshadow, and lashes, I'm gonna remove all this powder. For my face powder, I'm using Old Faithful MAC Studio Fix powder in NC55. I'm just gonna take a brush and just dust that off. And I like to press it in as well as dust it off. I don't mind a bright under eye. Once I set it, everything will come together. But this is it for the most part. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of blush. This is Format Blush by MAC. I'm going to add Desert Rose Blush by MAC on top of that. For highlight, I'm going to use Nefertiti highlight by Juvia's Place. Now we're going to take Morphe setting spray and set my face. As that dries, I'm gonna do my lips and then we're done. I'm gonna use Taunt by Morphe liquid lipstick. That's too bright. I'm gonna try Stockholm by NYX. This is BFF3 lip liner by Colourpop. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of gloss. This is Morphe Freebird gloss. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. This concludes my full face routine. That's foundation, highlight, contour. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys would like to see more videos like this from me in the future, in the near future, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you do not miss an upload from your favorite. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.